Filter feature video. Happiness is a mode-based system and each mode corresponds to an age group. The mode has its own customizable schedule and filter settings. All devices added to a particular mode will follow the same schedule and filter settings. Let's see how to play with filter settings of a mode. Happiness filters the internet using a categorization approach. Apps and websites on similar themes are clubbed together under a category. Kid and teen modes come with their default settings. These can be customized as per need. While some categories can be switched on and off using a toggle button by the parent. Others, like adult and security related, are mandatorily switched off. Some categories also have option to only allow or disallow selected apps and websites. For example, social media can be switched on as a whole category or selected few as indicated on Happiness app. Please note that Happiness has Google and Bing Safe Search mandatorily switched on and cannot be removed. Likewise, YouTube, when enabled, will always be on a restricted mode. The parent can always use the Reset to Default button to revert filters to the original default settings. In case there is a particular app or website that you specifically need to allow or disallow, use the whitelist or blacklist feature respectively. Navigate to the Advanced tab on Mode Settings and click on Add Link. Enter the app or website link and select Appropriate button. You have the option to delete whitelisted or blacklisted links individually or all. Please use this feature only in the event if our filters are either blocking or allowing an app or website incorrectly as per you.